this side from Ratna Creations. Yeah, this is a numbering process. This process come after the bulk cutting. We do the numbering to avoid the color variations and the mismatch in the production. After the cutting, we load the garment on the machines, and there are the number of various tailors. They they do one operations of the garments, like someone is attaching the lace. You can see this operator is attaching the lace, and you will see that this operator is the doing the hem folding and attaching the wash care label. Now I'm coming in the finishing, and you will see the process of finishing. Uh, there is the one lady doing the hair cutting. You can see the process. Our supervisor guide give her instructions how to cut the threads. Of, since this is the white piece, so we do the spottings after that hair cutting. After the spotting, we do journal checking. Like this checker will check the seams, open seams, missing stitches, and the balance of garment and any themes of missing. You can see. You can he found the stain on this garment, so he put the alter sticker. So this will come again back to the spotter, and spotter will clean this. After this process, garment go into measurement checking. After measurement checking, garment comes in the final checking, final review, like audit. So QC audit the 100% garment. After his approval, we send the garment in the packing. This is the method of this is the process of folding. After final audit, we pack the garment. Once the garment will go in polybag, we attach the we attach the main labels and the stickers to avoid the confusions and mismatch sticker on the garment. Thank you.